Thank you for visiting our website. We're so glad you took time to learn more about us today. My name is Ken Tyler, and I am the owner of TemperaturePro. I invite you to take a look around, whether you're looking for a comprehensive list of services or a free estimate for a new heating and cooling system. You'll find it all here. Are you looking for our latest specials that will save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars? Or are you considering purchasing a new system? Hear what some of our customers have to say about their experiences.
I had known TemperaturePro because I had seen them out and about in the community. I know they give back, and I know they're very involved in the local community. So they came out to my house, they gave me an estimate, and I knew that that was fair and honest and a competitive price, and I feel very good with my decision. They did a great job, and we know we got a great deal for everything that they did.
TemperaturePro responded really quickly. On a Sunday morning, we had a furnace that went out, and we received a phone call immediately. A tech was at our house within 2 hours on a Sunday morning, when in fact I was just hoping to get a phone call early Monday morning. PJ was out on Sunday afternoon, gave us all the specs, some options for our furnaces, for our AC, for the thermostats. So really within hours on a Sunday, which I don't take for granted at all, we knew exactly what we were getting. The information was given to us to make the right choice. They were there on a Monday morning, so literally within a day and a half, we were up and running with a brand new furnace, more than I possibly could have ever expected.
It was hot. They worked through excruciatingly hot weather in a tight, small attic. So I give them so much credit because it was a really challenging situation, and they rose to the occasion and got it done incredibly well.
For us, TemperaturePro brought the team that had both technical skills and service at top-notch levels to complete our project.
We have over 200 customer reviews and video testimonials that you can read and view at your leisure. When you're ready to sit down and discuss your options, click on the Schedule Appointment button to request a day and time that is convenient for you. You can even conveniently apply for financing right here on our website. We included everything that you may need right here on our website for your convenience. But should you have any questions or would rather talk to a live person, call us today. Whatever your heating and cooling needs, we're here to help. Give us a call. Trust in TemperaturePro today and sleep in comfort tonight.